back to it, you ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you, yeah, I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, 'cause I'm done.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to do a shoulder day. I was going to do a back workout today, but I did arms yesterday and my biceps are crazy sore, right? I don't know what happened. Normally I would get sore in my biceps for a little bit, but most of the times I can do back the day after, right? But now I woke up with crazy soreness in my arm, especially my right arm. I don't know what happened, but every movement I make it hurts crazy, so I'm gonna just give my biceps some extra rest. I'm not going to do a back workout. I'm going to do shoulders today. I gave my shoulders some more rest because my shoulders were a little bit hurt. I wasn't injured, but it didn't feel really great, so I mentioned it in a couple of earlier videos already. So I didn't go as hard as I go on a chest day. I reduced the weight with bench press and stuff like that, really focusing on pumping blood in the muscle instead of going hard. So my shoulders could get a little bit more rest. So today I will pump my shoulders. Let's see how it goes. I will film it, of course, show you a couple of exercises I do. I won't focus too much on the front delts. Really try to focus on the side and the rear delt and some push exercises. So the front delt will be involved, but I won't really train it too hard because tomorrow is chest day again. Yeah, I'm going to show you the fucking snow outside because there was expected to be 20 centimeters of snow this week. So this was the first day that it was snowing. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm going to take a pre-workout. A couple of videos ago I did a scoop, right? But most of the times I don't scoop my pre-workout. I just mix it with water. But some pre-workouts are really strong, right? Taste isn't that great, so I just want to scoop it. I really like this one. I don't know if you guys know this one. Don't exceed one serving, but yeah, of course I always exceed one serving. And I took a caffeine pill, so I have a lot of energy. I'm really hyped for this workout. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna show you guys the snow what fell tonight. After that I'm going to do the workout, so enjoy the video. And guys, if you're watching my videos, make sure to like the video, alright? And if you're watching this and you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me out a lot. So yeah, this is the result of one day of snow, right? So it's really a lot of snow already. So I'm curious how the snow will look if the snowstorm keeps going like this for days, right? Shit, man, there's a lot of snow here. It doesn't look as much, but it's really a lot. Damn. It's very cold too, so I'm going inside again and go start with the workout. So yeah guys, as you saw, there's a lot of snow already, so maybe 20 centimeters of snow this week. We will see, I don't know. So I'm going to start the workout right now. Do a little warm up, of course. You have to warm up. It's one of the most important things to do, guys. Don't go into the workout with a heavy movement trying to impress someone, or go lightweight warm up for like 5 or 10 minutes at least, right? Do some exercises, lightweight, pump blood in the muscle, make sure your muscles are worked, and then go to the heavy weights or go hard or whatever. You should always do a warming up, guys. So let's go. Okay guys, that was the warming up. As you can see, I'm a little bit warm, blood in my shoulders. We don't really have the best pump because it's cold in this room. It is a little bit cold here, but it doesn't matter. If you work hard enough, you will get warm. I'm going to continue with the shoulder press, with the overhead press, sitting like this with a barbell. I'm going to do 4 sets, but I'm going to show you 1 set of each exercise, because if I show all the sets, the video will be way too long, alright? Then I'm going to do dumbbell raises for the side of my shoulders, and then I'm going to work the rear delts and do this and do it with the dumbbell. And after that I'm going to do the last exercise. That's just with a dumbbell. I don't work my traps. People always ask me, how do you get your big traps? That's doing deadlifts. Alright, so just do your fucking deadlifts. Then you don't really have to work the traps, because they will grow. Alright, I don't really work it. Let's go do the exercises. Alright guys, the workout is finished. The pump was great, as you can see maybe. I got a great shoulder pump. I didn't have any pain or something, so that's great. Guys, if you made it this far in the video, make sure to like the video if you haven't yet and subscribe to my channel, because there's a lot of content coming. There's 2 videos coming every week at least, maybe more, depends on the time I have. So thank you everybody for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it.